Hey guys, hi, happy Diwali everyone. So I just wanted to give you guys a tour of my house. It was all very impromptu. I didn't plan to like clean the house a bit and decorate it, but then I don't know how this happened, but then this happened, and so the house looks really beautiful right now with diyas and everything. So I want to give you a tour of my house right now. So let's switch the camera to the other side. And happy Diwali once again. Okay, so this is the entrance door. You see diyas. They are not artificial, like they are like real diya. That's how we celebrate Diwali back in India. No artificial lights. It's real diya. And the proof is this guy. You can see the matchsticks in water, which was thrown in water after using it. And then this is my living area. Okay, and this is the balcony. So you can see. So me and my husband, we worked on organizing this amazing, beautiful lotus lamp. I'm going to zoom it so you can see it even clearly. So see how beautiful it is, and it changes, like it has got different color settings, and even the setting where it changes color, like right now, that's the setting that we have used, and it's so beautiful. You can see how beautiful it is. I'm totally obsessed with it. Let's see how long the obsession continues, but right now I'm very very obsessed with it. It's also like so therapeutic to look at it. And lotus is my favorite flower. You can see the diyas through the reflection in the glass, and then that's the balcony, and then that's the this is some decoration on the glass door. Let it snow, and then this is some flower stickers, and then you can see these like small fairy lights. These are also super cute and super adorable. You can see, and this also comes with different settings. You can put it to a setting where it's not a blinking, where it's stable, or you can put it in this setting, and then there are several other settings. I actually really like how the diyas look through the reflection. It's so nice. And the other corner that I really like in this living room area, which we decorated, is this guy. You can see these let's see if you can see this, but not so well. But you can see these aroma candles. I got them from Amazon. They're also like really pretty. I like the print on each one of them, and even the texture. Like if you touch them, the texture is, you can feel the texture, and I really love these small details. Maybe I can shoot it during the day so you can see the design, but I think you can still see a little bit. It's really really nice. Or let's see if there is a mode in my camera. Never mind. So you can see how pretty the print is. And then these all are aroma candles, so they have their distinctive scents. I think one is lemon, one is vanilla, one is some one is some wood. I don't remember the name, but they all smell really really good. And then that's other cabinet. But yeah, that's the other corner of the room that we decorated. And yeah, and this is the lotus flower. This is the balcony. I can actually go out in the balcony and show you the decoration from a close-up. Let's see. Okay, so this is my balcony, and you can see these lights. And then there you go. This one is my favorite part of the house. Look how pretty it is. Oh my god, the blue, and then the purple. I think, yeah, purple, and then it changes to red, and then yellow. Oh my god, it's so soothing just to look at it. I feel like I can look at it for a really long time, and I may do that maybe tonight itself. Oh my god. god, it's so pretty. Look at that. Wow. Then there is white, there's green. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Okay, so that's my neighborhood. They don't celebrate Diwali here, obviously, because Christmas is the biggest festival here in America, because most people are, I believe, Christian here. Oh yeah, and that's the other corner. So that is basically a bed, believe me or not, and you can convert it to a seat like that. So I think that's really amazing. So we sometimes convert it to bed, sometimes we convert it to a seat like that. And yeah, and I actually like it a lot better without the bed sheet, but then it gets dirty without the bed sheet, so we put the bed sheet in there. Then that's another decoration, that's a flower, that's artificial flower that is hung through a nail. That's it. And then back to the diyas. And then these lamps also I really like. Actually, they can just stay in one corner, and you can play with the settings here. You can turn all of them on or just a couple of them on, and you can move the sockets of the light around to get different light settings in the room. So I really like that. I really like these the kind of lights which has options which you can play with. Yeah, and then I'll quickly, that's my kitchen. Then let's see, and then I'll quickly show you this other light that I have in my bedroom. This is the other lights. These are I don't know what they're called. I think they're called Christmas lights, and actually I got it 2 years ago and they're still good. So we usually turn it on every night, not just during Diwali, because like I said, it's very therapeutic to me. This is my other lamp. Okay, this is turning out to be a light tour but yeah, but I just wanted to just record the ambience right now, because it's kind of neat and unique right now, and even though usually at night we keep it dim and soothing, but this night in particular is special. That's my sister calling me, and this night in particular is special, so I wanted to record it. Alright guys, thank you so much for your time, and happy Diwali once again. Take it easy. Bye. Okay guys, I wanted to record really quickly before the kids come in, my sister's kids, and ruin it. No, I'm kidding. They're actually much more neat than I am. I wanted to just record it without the room lamps. Oh my god, it looks, I feel like it looks, I don't think it looks better, but I thought it would look better because diyas would stand out even more. But I think even with the lamp it looked pretty good. But anyways, I wanted to quickly record it in this kind of setting as well. And now I'm going to open the door for my sister and her kids. Happy Diwali. Bye.